Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to show you something or a trick or something you can do on your Android TV to get the Google Play Store app or the Google Play Store icon on your Android TV if your Android TV or Android TV box comes without the Google Play Store application. So please watch the video right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, do well to like, subscribe and share if you can, but if you cannot, no problem. So let me repeat what I just said. What I said is that if your Android TV or your Android TV box comes without the Google Play Store application, that means that it doesn't have Google Play Store as an app. This is what you can do on your Android TV, or this is something you should do on your Android TV so that you'll be able to get the Android or the Google Play Store app to your Android TV. So this is going to be interesting, and please follow attentively. Now before we start, I can come over here and show you all my apps. So these are my applications on this TV box. Some of them are useful, some are not, some are just applications that I installed while making videos. I've never actually used any of them and so on. But as you can see clearly, I do not have the Google Play Store app. I do not have it. If I return, and you can look anywhere here, there is no Google Play Store anywhere. And if I come over here either, you are still not going to see the Google Play Store. But at the end of this video, you will see the Google Play Store, and that's what I want to show you in this video. So this is only for you, or you can continue watching this only if your Android TV does not have Google Play Store. If it does, then you don't need to watch it because you already have the application. So now let's continue. On my Android TV, what I'll do is that I'll go back to apps, go back to my browser. Any browser should work in this case. I'll be using the Google browser. Now I just want to say this. Even though my Android TV box do not have the Google Play Store application, I still use the Google Play Store through the browser here. So what is that? What I do is I go over here and search for an application, or I can go over to the Google Play Store by just typing in Google Play. Now, if this is okay with you, or if this is okay with you using Google Play by just going over here and typing Google Play, then fine, you don't actually need the video. But if you want something more without coming to your browser all the time to type in Google Play and clicking this option, then that's what I'm here to show you in this video. But you could still use this method to access Google Play. But anyway, go over here and go over to your browser and type in this application, TV Launcher. So this is the application that we need, TV Launcher, which it's, let me show you the application first before I explain what it is. So here's the application we're looking for. Please pay attention to this icon. This is what we're looking for. So click on it and it's going to come over here. So TV Launcher is a launcher that you can use on your Android TV if you are not satisfied with your current launcher, or if you want something new, or something that looks different, or something that looks coloring. It just depends on your likes and dislikes. So here's what we're looking for. So just click on install here, and just like I explained, this is going to install. Now if it's your first time doing this, you're going to be prompted to log into your Google account. Just use your Gmail and your password and you're good to go. So this is the application that we're looking for. Just give it a couple of seconds, and okay, it is installed already to our Android TV. So what we're going to do here is close this, or close our browser, and if we return over here, we're going to see the TV Launcher somewhere here. Okay, here's it. So as I explained, TV Launcher is an application that changes the theme or the display of your Android TV. So I click on this over here once. It is going to ask me what language I will prefer, and I'll choose the English language. So the theme of my Android TV box has changed. So I can choose this as my default launcher if that is what I want. I can choose this as my default launcher. But this current display is not the best. These are all my applications, so I can look for something better. Go back to settings. But now, once go back to settings, what I'm going to see, there is launcher settings, there is style, there's upgrade, there's feedback. You can take out your time and look at all these settings, what it is need. So you can choose default wallpapers, number of rows, and so on, background. And take out your time and browse through the launcher if you want to use this as your default launcher. So you can choose custom wallpaper settings, so on, focus background. But anyway, what we're interested in the most is style, please. So go over to style over here. I am able to see different styles. There's classic, there's child style, there's child style 2, there's family photo style, and there's child style again, and family photo album. I don't know if I'm really moving, I'm just dancing around the same place. But this is what one for primary wallpaper style. This is what I love. So click on it, and this is going to be changed to your default style. So if you return, so this is how my Android TV is going to look like now, and at the top of my screen you can see the Google Play option. So just by changing that, you automatically have the Google Play option on your Android TV. So now in this case, I do not need to go over to my browser and type in Google Play before I access Google Play. I have it now here as an app or a shortcut or an icon, whatever you will choose to call it in this case. So if I want to go over to Google Play, all I got to do here now is just click on Google Play, and it brings me straight away to the Google Play application on my Android TV. See, it is as simple as that. This is the Google Play, and once you are here, you take out your time, browse through the applications. Please just make sure that your network is fast, so this will load and launch the Google Play app to your Android TV. So you see, I do not need to go to my browser, search Google Play, or all what that long method I did in the first part of this video. All I need now is to click on that icon, and I'm led straight away to the Google Play Store app. And of course, here you can search any application that you want on the Google Play. But I just want to say that not all Android TV, not all apps on Google Play will be compatible with your TV, so you need to know that. But most of the applications that work on Android, they also work on your Android TV box or Android TV or whatever option you're using. So that's it all about this video, and I showed you what to do to have the Google Play icon or app or shortcut to your Android TV without having to go over to your browser all the time. You can just change your default theme or display to this using TV Launcher application. And yeah, all your applications are see here. If you want to check out your app, just browse through all of these. These are all your apps on your Android TV. You can click on more apps to see them fully, or edit apps and so on. But anyway, that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe, so that we'll be able to create more videos like this.